Dillard University's pre-law program has been very impactful in my college career.
Being involved in the pre-law program at Dillard University has been such an impactful experience.
Law has been amazing. It's like nothing I could have really imagined.
The pre-law program here at Dillard University has had on me is preparation. That's the takeaway that I have gained from the program, is that in order to get where I want to be, I need to be prepared for it.
It has taught me a lot about mock trial and a lot about the legal system and how to really maneuver throughout my law school experience after Dillard University.
I think the events that the pre-law program that Ms. Kimbrough hosts, I think that they really are not just geared towards one type of law, so it's like a lot of exposure to people, to students, and lets them see like what maybe they want to do, maybe what they don't want to do, or just give them like bits and pieces of things that may happen, like that they may want to, indulge in.
I think that the program really trains the pre-law students to just really be some of the most ambitious and courageous students on the campus. I find that the pre-law students are typically involved in a lot of student leadership positions as well. I think it's just the training that we get in the program that encourages us to be motivated to go out and try student leadership.
I personally was in mock trial, and going to competition and coming to practices every night really gave me purpose as a political science student. I can remember going back and studying the case file and learning the different objections and working with my teammates about which side we were on and why it was important to defend this side and the arguments and the different parts of an opening statement. And it really gave me purpose here to really grow more into my major as a political science student. And I really enjoyed it, and I think that other students and others who are involved can definitely say the same, and it's really impacted just a memory of being at Dillard and being in the pre-law program.
I would not have been able to do things by myself, specifically like learning logic games, logic reasoning, and honestly just knowing what to do to go to law school.
And I have to agree with that. I think that one thing the pre-law club has done for me is there's always something going on campus sponsored by the pre-law club, so I was never able to forget what I wanted to do. So even though pre-law wasn't my major, I was always reminded that pre-law is something I still have, I have to always, attend certain events that will help me to go to law school. So even though it's not a major here, the pre-law program has really helped us to stay involved, and I wouldn't have even registered for the LSAT as early as I did.
Being a part of the pre-law program here at Dillard University, really what you're going to gain from this experience is support. You're going to gain support through the other students here, but also the coordinator, Mrs. Kimbrough. Really it starts within the events here, but as you start to get into your classes, you see those people who are part of that program appear over and over again. So it's great because through that community, you're able to help each other through the classes, you're able to help each other through the program, other extracurricular activities, give each other advice through other things that are outside of Dillard University. So that's been a great experience.
Connections, and I did that and so much more. I got to learn about different internships. I got to meet different people in my class, upperclassmen. I got help on my resume. Like, there's like personal building as well as like educational building. We got to, what didn't we do is really the question. Essentially, like, whatever you need to do, whatever you're trying to do, like, pre-law is really here for you.
Is a little bit different because I still remember when the law program didn't even exist at Dillard in 2012, and to actually see Ms. Kimbrough actually bring this space to life, and it really impacted me overall because it showed me that's what I wanted to do. And Ms. Kimbrough worked really with me personally just to make sure that I strived to do everything that I could do. And she never told me don't follow your dreams, but she always kept pushing me.
I remember there was a point in my life when I actually almost gave up on law school because I thought that it was hard and I thought that I couldn't do it alone. And my pre-law advisor, Mrs. Kimbrough, and other staff at Dillard University, in the pre-law department particularly, helped me to realize that there are so many resources and so many people willing to help you get to where you want to go. And so that actually knocked me back on track and helped me to take that exam and apply. And I actually got into two-lane law, which is where I'm going to go in the following semester.
To see this place even come like back alive, and that's, I think, what my law school and what the pre-law council and law center has taught me so far, was that you can do it no matter what, and don't stop, like never stop, because that's not why we were created. We are always created to do great things, and I think the law center will be destined to do great things as the years go on and on and on.